Self-love is hard, self-love sucks, self-like is a lot easier. We're talking baby steps here. Find literally anything about yourself that is consistently positive. I might not be happy 100% of the time, but overall I'm a pretty positive person, and I like that about myself. Maybe you make people laugh, maybe you're a good listener, maybe you have a talent for defusing tense interpersonal situations. Whatever it is, just whenever you're doing that, notice to yourself, I like that quality about myself. You don't have to be like, I love literally everything about myself, just, hey, that thing, that part of my personality, I really like that about myself. And it sounds literally so fucking stupid, but that is like the first baby step to self-love and actually really liking yourself as a person. Just baby steps are key.